Yes people, what's up? So in this video basically I'll make it serious. We're just going to be going over my FTMO challenge. Okay, so we've got a 10k FTMO challenge account here. Okay, did take a trade already, just a small one, just to get that ball rolling on the metrics, because you've got to have a certain amount of trades per day, like this here, certain amount of trades per day. Okay, minimum 4 trading days. Didn't want to waste a trading day, so just take a small trade on it. But so what I'm going to be doing is going over obviously the trades and stuff we take on this FTMO account, getting this FTMO account passed. We are starting this on the 5th of March, in class as the 4th, but it's really the 5th of March. Okay, and yeah, see what we can do. So yeah, not a whole bunch going on at the minute, we're just waiting. I mean, on GU right now we swept these highs up here. On a daily time frame, I would still say we're a little bit bullish. So we've got a sweep of these highs on the 4 hourly. So what I'm waiting for is a breaker structure of this level down here. If we do get a breaker structure here, probably come back up to retest. Maybe there's a fair value gap within here on the way down, or we'll get just look to retest in this order block here in general. We'll make sure we do go into equilibrium and we do break these lows. So either a test come back into here, depending on how far down it goes. So we'll get back to you when it breaks the structure. So yes people, we did find a trade on GJ. We got in late to this trade. I mean, it broke structure further up here, just up here. We could have potentially done something more like this. It would have yielded much better results, but breaker structure, retest around here. What are you doing? Excuse me. You know what I mean? Yeah, breaker structure, retest up here, something like this. Retest like something like that. Okay, we missed out on all these pips here. We got another break and retest just over here on the hourly time frame. I'm sure it is. Yeah, break. No, what was it? Retested a fair value gap. Retested this fair value gap just here, so we got in onto this trade. In terms of on the 5 minute, yeah, that's the one. Retested this fair value gap just here on a 5 minute, so we got in. I mean, it's late, like I said, we would have liked to get in further up here. We would have collected all these pips, but it is what it is at the end of the day. I am looking to close this trade early because we have hit a fair value gap on the 4 hourly time frame just here. So depending on how it reacts now, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even, just in case it does want to retrace back up. But we are looking kind of bearish after we've swept this liquidity, so we'll have to see. But this would have been a beautiful target zone if we did get on the trade just here like that, bang, for a nice 1 to 5. But we'll see how this plays out. If I close the trade early, I'll keep you guys updated. Yes people, so we did close the trade early. We closed it pretty much for a 1 to 1. I mean, not the best trade. I would have preferred to get in up here, obviously hold it further down, but it is what it is. I mean, take my profits here. We did only make like £26 profit off this trade. We was targeting further down to this zone here, liquidity, but obviously fair value gap just here. I'm not looking to risk it come back up and bounce off this fair value gap. So that's it for that trade. If we can see anything else today, we might get in, but that's probably it for the day. So peace. So I mean, in terms of everything, we didn't do too bad because it did come back up and bounce off this fair value gap. So close the trade early. I mean, next video, which will probably be tomorrow, we're going to go over, see if there's anything in the market we can get into tomorrow. And yeah, so in terms of entering another trade, we are entered in this trade for the day, but I think this one is going to be we're going to hold this trade. As you can see on the 4 hourly time frame, strong resistance, resistance here, broke through, creating support now. So we got off on this big candle here after it did create, bounced off this level here, come back up, retested the same zone, another big candle up, we're in here, stop loss just here. We're only risking the profits we made off the last trade, which is like £30, for a potential profit of like 130, I think, if it does come out and hit these highs up here. So we're going to wait on this trade and see what happens. Like I say, there's nothing we can do now. We're in, take profit, stop loss done. If anything, these are TP3s. We got around here obviously TP1, TP2, TP3. We'll get back to you, okay? Push. So trade did hit stop loss. I mean, it happens, is what it is. We was just playing with the profits anyway. I mean, on the 5 minutes there was a few order blocks it could have hit, but it just ran straight through the order blocks. I mean, see what happens tomorrow. I won't be hopping back in this. It is a busy day tomorrow with news. Wednesday we got a lot going on, so I probably won't even take a trade tomorrow, but we'll see what we can do. Anyway, the account lies at the minute, let's see, 995, so we're still pretty much at the same level from where we started, £5 down. In terms of this Thursday, I don't know about trading Thursday as well, there's a lot of news there, but we will get back to it. We'll keep you updated. Follow all the stuff at the bottom, and peace.